The power of defensive driving, a life-saving skill. In an era where roads are busier than ever, the importance of defensive driving cannot be overstated. Recent studies have shown that drivers who employ defensive strategies significantly reduce their risk of being involved in accidents. By staying alert, maintaining a safe following distance, and anticipating potential hazards, these drivers not only protect themselves but also contribute to overall road safety. Defensive driving is more than just a technique, it's a mindset that encourages caution and proactivity. This approach empowers drivers to react promptly to unexpected situations, such as sudden lane changes by other vehicles or pedestrians crossing without warning. In addition to reducing accident rates, it also minimizes stress and enhances fuel efficiency by promoting smoother driving practices. Traffic authorities across the nation are increasingly incorporating defensive driving modules into driver education programs, emphasizing its role in fostering responsible and skilled motorists. Moreover, insurance companies recognize the value of defensive driving and often offer reduced premiums for those who complete certified courses. The potential savings serve as a compelling incentive for individuals to adopt safer driving habits. As awareness grows about the benefits of defensive driving, it is clear that this practice holds the key to creating safer roads for everyone, from seasoned motorists to new drivers embarking on their journey behind the wheel.